rhythm you can pull through, and the magic blocks are right there too. Transform now, save the day. Transform now, what's their name? Magic blocks. Come and join the fun. If it's rumbled on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Come and join the fun. If it's rumbled on the double, put it on the run. Magic blocks unite, help to make things right. Lend a hand to the people of Playtown. Get ready to rock. Magic box.
Frisbee, danger! Over here! Hey! Hi-ya! Wah! Hey! Huh. Wow! Hiya! Ian, catch!
Whoa! Oh! Yay! Another point!
Come on, Ian. If you don't get the next one, we'll lose.
It was an accident.
Get up. Let's keep playing. Hey!
Huh?
Oh! Ow! Are you doing this on purpose? Play again. If you don't focus, I won't play with you.
Huh?
Huh?
It landed on the wall. Don't worry, I'll get it. Ian, be careful.
Huh?
Careful. Ta-da! Got it! Don't be mad, Danny. Let's get back to the game! Ian!
Ian!
Ow, my leg! I can't move!
Are you okay, Ian?
My leg! I can't move my leg!
This is all my fault. Don't worry. I'll save you.
We will help you! They're too heavy! What now? My leg really hurts!
Hang in there, Ian. I'll ask Magic Blocks for help. Calling Dr. Pie. Calling Dr. Pie. Dr. Pie, Dr. Pie, this is Danny. We need your help.
Roger that. Magic blocks, get ready.
Hey?
All right, I'm done.
Let me see. Wow, great work, Bobo. I love it. How about you, Lulu?
Don't look. You won't like it.
That's not me at all.
Magic blocks, get ready.
Huh? Get ready to roll. Magic Blocks, reporting.
Danny needs our help. Magic blocks, let's go.
to us! Ho ho! Strong, Lulu, go!
Woo! Coco can do it! Yay!
Get ready,
Get set!
magic blocks, problem solved!
Let's go! Ian, it will be okay.
Ian, magic blocks will be here soon. Hang in there.
Danny, we're here!
Magic blocks!
What happened here?
Ian's leg got crushed by all this wood. It's all my fault.
We have to move fast and get it off Ian. I'm on it, Ian.
Let me help.
Ian, it'll be all over soon.
Huh?
Ian's legs look very bad.
Yeah, they're red and swollen.
I'm sorry, Ian. This is all my fault.
It's okay, Danny. I wasn't being careful enough.
Don't worry. So long as magic blocks are here, he'll be fine. Coco, it's up to you.
Got it. I have a first aid kit. Ambulance transform! Woo! Coco can do it! Yay! It might hurt a little. Brace yourself. I'm not scared.
Great! So everything's okay then?
I only patched him up just now. We still have to get him to a doctor just to be on the safe side.
We'll get the stretcher.
Oh.
Don't worry. Coco will take good care of Ian. He'll be fine.
This is all my fault. I yelled at Ian and he got hurt. I shouldn't have lost my temper just now.
Relax, guys.
He should be fine.
Don't blame yourself, Danny.
I don't know how he's holding up. He must hate me.
Look, Coco's back.
Huh? Coco, how is he doing?
The doctor checked on him and said it was just a scratch. He'll be better in no time. Oh, Danny, Ian wanted me to give you this.
Huh?
He said that when he's all better, he'll be ready to play Frisbee, and we'll keep practicing.
Next time, make sure to be good teammates.
I will. I'm going to the doctor to check on Ian.
Huh?
Thank you, Magic Blocks.
Mission accomplished.
Magic blocks, problem solved.